Hi guys, it's me again, Glab, back on the channel, and whether you're new or regular viewer, I'm so happy that you're here. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you itong bago ko na-discover. This one is new na kiosk sa isa sa mga mall dito sa Taguig. And let's see if this one or these products are worth it. Kasi nakita ko lang and maraming mga tao. Tapos, local brand siya, affordable, and it seems promising. So, yeah. Hindi ako bumili ng makeup because I still have few bottles of foundation, mga blush on na hindi ko pa nagagamit. So, ngayon, I bought yung parang set ng makeup brushes nila. And I'll show that in a while. But before I do that, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you won't have to miss any of my episodes. Without further ado, Glummates, ito yun. Kala mo ang daming item no? Yung tote bag lang talaga yung malaki, pero konti lang to. Well, Absidy, it's the first time that I heard about it. Pero tinanong ko si ate, it's a local brand, but most of their makeup products, well, if not all, formulated sa Italy. Yung mga price ng mga item nila, affordable, and mukhang magaganda rin naman. Well, actually, trinay nila sa akin last night. I'll show the picture here para makita nyo. And ang ganda, especially the tint. Hindi nga lang ako bumili. Sabi ko, i-try ko muna if okay. And in fairness to the fair, lumalaban siya. Pero anyway, I've noticed kasi na you've been also into makeup brushes. So I decided to share it with you, Glummates. Okay, again, this one is from Absidy. So ito yun. Originally, it cost like 2,000 plus. I forgot na kung how much yung sinabi ni ate. Parang 2,500, 499, something like that. But naka-sale siya. This one, it cost 1,699. Yeah, pero hindi. Less 10%, so I think 1,599, ganon. Kasi discounted pa. Plus, meron pang free. Like, if bibili ka ng dalawa, may free, tas may 10% off. So, this one is free. Ito ay Poppy Soft Cheeks Serum Blush On. Yan. Ito, trinay nila sa akin kagabi. Akala mo, super duper loud ng color, pero pag in-apply, very nice. These are the items that I want to talk about today. Ang gaganda, 6-piece set brush. Meron siyang dense sculpting face brush, flat tapered face brush, precise setting face brush, concealer blending face brush, foundation buffing face brush, highlighter fan, and meron siyang libreng cocoon bag. Okay, let's do unboxing. Kasi di ko pa rin talaga siya like nabubuksan. This one is bag. Akala ko kasi makeup pouch, pero bag pala. So may kasama siyang ganito. Glummates. Okay, this one is bag din. Pwedeng freebie or regalo sa Pasko sa mga pamangkin, kapatid, ganyan, yung mga mahilig sa mga ganito. May ganito akong bag, yung nabili sa Thailand, parang ganon, yan. And then, this one too, cocoon bag, ayan. I'm not so sure if meron siyang strap. Walang strap. So, siguro ganyan lang. Yeah, pwede rin, makeup pouch, ganyan siya sa loob. So, ayan. Okay, first, I'll share with you this highlighter fun face. Ano ba yan? Nabubulol ako sa face. Basta highlighter brush. Nakalagay dito, suitable with powders, and then best for application of powder highlighter, and yung coverage na sheer, how to use, nandito siya. And bukod sa mura, it's vegan, cruelty free. Yan. At to, buksan natin. This is the highlighter brush. Ganyan ang itsura niya. Ayan. Diba? Very nice. Tapos, gray yung kanyang handle. Yan. Actually, trinay ko lahat kahapon kasi, diba, hindi naman sa nang judge, no? Normally kasi kapag yung affordable, pero tumutusok-tusok siya sa mukha. Itong mga brush na to, hindi. Tapos, what I like about it, especially the blush on and yung mga pang setting powder, dense siya. Yun yung mga gusto ko eh. Feeling ko kasi pag medyo dense siya, may control ako over. Ewan ko, kayo ba, Glammates? Comment below. Hindi naman ako like professional makeup artist, but that's what I want in my what do you call this? Brushes. Makeup brushes. This one is, okay, hindi ko na napakita. Ang dami kong chika. Well, most of them suitable sa powders. And then, sheer coverage. Yun yung nakalagay dito. And they do have also instructions how to use. Well, you know naman, Glammates, how to do your makeup, no? Kahit kayo lang, like mga sheer coverage, etc. or basic. Then, hindi kayo mahirapan. This one is, what's this? Look. Precise Setting Face Powder. So, setting powder, pag ganyan. Oh, diba? Ang nice, nilagay ko agad kahit hindi nahuhugasan or nalalabhan. Yan. Yun nga lang, wala siyang makeup holder. Yan. So, ganyan itsura niya. Same din. Yan. Siguro, separate video na lang yung paggamit ko dito. So, oh, dito. Excited ako dito because I don't have something like this. This is Concealer Blending Face Brush. Okay. Alright. So, this one naman, best spot for concealing and building coverage from sheer to medium. It's good for liquids, creams, and sticks. Pero powder, hindi. So, okay. O, diba? Wala talaga ako nito. Kung yung dalawa, good for powders. This one naman, good for liquid cream. Ganyan. Oh, nice! Oh, diba? Super, yung talaga pag ginanon mo, parang nararamdaman ko talaga. Tapos walang tusok-tusok. There. And again, it's vegan-free. Natutuwa kasi ako sa mga ganon, yung mga cruelty-free na mga product. Diba? Gusto natin yung mga ganyan. Okay, mamaya ako na ayusin. And then, 3 more to go. This one is the flat tapered face. Basta, yun na yun, Glammates. Suitable for powders. And then, this one is best for blending of powder products on the cheeks. So, pwedeng pang blush on. Yes. And then, the coverage is sheer. So, isa pa lang yung, good for liquid and medium coverage. Okay. So, this one is pang blush on. Yeah, medyo light to. Hindi masyadong dense. But, I can live with it. I think, yun naman talaga pag blush on, ginaganon-ganon lang, diba? Yan. Okay. Nilalagay ko na talaga sa mukha ko kahit hindi pa siya nalalabhan. Nalalabhan! Okay. Alright. This one also, I'm excited to use this. This is Dance Sculpting Face Brush. Oh, di mo kaya. Nagawa ko yung face. There you go. This one is good for liquids, creams, and sticks. Okay? And then for sculpting, okay, pang contour, buffing, and then full coverage, okay? So, dalawa na yung ating pwede sa liquid. Gusto ko yung mga ganyan. Ko lang. Isa-separate ko para later I'll show you kung ano yung best for liquid. Oh, gusto mo yan. Para akong ganito. So, pwede nang pang ganun, oh. Di mo kaya. So, nice. Pare-pares lang naman siya, guys, ng handle, ng color ng handle, etc. And even the bristles or ito, yung hair niya, pare-parehas. Yan, and ito, metallic silver. Parang ganyan yung peg. Pwede niya rin pala itong bilhin ng tigi-isa if you want to. And meron din sila nun parang naka-bundle na dalawa lang kung marami na kayong makeup brush, diba? So, this one, last but not the least, Foundation Buffing Face Brush. And suitable siya sa liquids, creams, sticks, yan. And then full coverage for buffing and building coverage. Ayun. Interested din ako dito kasi may mga foundation brush ako pero gusto ko yung pagka-dense nito eh. Okay? Ayan, oh. Oh, diba? Pag nag-blush on, pag nag-foundation kami, ganyan-ganyan na. And, what I like about it is yung ano niya, yung handle niya. Very slick and then soft, diba? Yan. Okay, so, anim to, right? Okay, papakita ko ulit, Clubmates. Yung tatlo, yung suitable for liquid sticks and creams. Ito yun. Foundation buffing brush. And then, ito yung pang contour. And then, ito yung pang concealer. Yan. And ito, yung difference niya, mas dense tong mga to. Ito naman, fan brush, highlighter, blush on, and then setting powder. Mas soft siya. Kasi syempre powder nga rin ang ilalagay mo. And then yeah, I like, oh my goodness. Very nice. Affordable. Parang yung branded na brush, isa lang yung mabibili mo. Unlike ito, 6 na. Oh, di mo kaya, girl. So that's it. Kapag ginamit ko na itong mga brush, let's see if I can share that with you and eventually if kung talagang maganda siya. But for now, sa paggamit sa akin ni ate hapon and now na hinahawakan ko siya, I feel like super worth it naman and affordable. That's it, Clubmates. Thank you so much for joining me for today's episode. I do hope nagustuhan nyo, and if you did like it, please do subscribe and click the notification bell. Share it with your family and friends. At kung hindi pa, please do subscribe before leaving para makita tayo ulit. And again, Clubmates, huwag kakalimutan, stay awesome, be gladsome, and keep chasing those dreams. Bye!